the Typhoon Lekima moving closer to the Korean Peninsula, a heavy rain warning has been issued in the southernmost island province of Jeju on Sunday, as strong winds and showers are expected to sweep in. While Lekima is not forecast to make landfall on the Korean Peninsula, the country's weather agency says as much as 250 millimeters of rain could fall on Jeju Island until Monday afternoon. A strong wind advisory has also been issued on the island, along with high tides expected along the southern coast. Rain is also forecast for the western parts of the country, including the capital of Seoul, from Sunday evening. Showers are expected to last until Tuesday morning.